Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CMLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. And, now it's just kind of a question of, are the bulls going to continue to build upon this price movement that actually started on Friday? Friday wasn't quite as boisterous, wasn't quite as loud. It was more of a ninja move on Friday. But today, not a ninja move. I mean, the bulls came roaring with a huge volume and the big price reaction. But like I said, that circles back to the question. Past couple of days have been solid, but are the bulls going to keep on building? So with that, let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal area of support going forward, I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going, progressing into the future? If the price can stay up above 60 cents, that would be a great sign of power. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above 60 cents, that would certainly be the best case scenario going forward. Next level of support after that, down there at the 50-cent mark. So 60 cents, 50 cents, two near-term levels of support, but taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just kind of simplifying things and making, the general question of how can we measure the health of the move, this right here being the move. So if you want to measure the health of that, just watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself upwards like that. So in other words, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key area of resistance that stands out to me right now is right there, definitely at the 69-cent mark. You can see that several times this afternoon. Bulls, try to basically 4 times in a row, try to get up through there and just couldn't quite do it. So kind of a random area, but for whatever reason, the sellers definitely showed up there at 69 cents. And that's just going to be the only level of resistance I talk about right now. Reason for that being, at the end of the day, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority in my opinion. At the end of the day, is if the price is building higher bases over time, the long-term chart is going to take care of itself. So yeah, resistances are important to break, but like I said, just as long as the price is putting in those higher lows, everything else will take care of itself, including resistance breaks. All in all though, great start to the week. We'll see how much the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.